Welcome, happy campers. My name's Amanda here with Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're taking a look into this 2021 Transcend 260RB. One thing I want to mention on this Transcend is the front cap. We do have a little bit of the updated exterior compared to what it used to look like. They're both very nice, but this has the new one. But looking towards the outside in our entertainment space, we have a big awning on this camper. It does span past your master window all the way to the back past the other window as well. There is just one small LED light strip here, but that is pretty bright, if I would say so myself. Outdoor speakers, big window where we have our dinette. Let's look at this pass-through storage. Now, one thing I want to talk about, Grand Design does a good job about their hardware here. It will last you a long time. This is our pass-through storage here, pretty wide, good place to keep anything you need for your entertainment space or any of your cords. But on the other side, all your utilities will be on this side. Super easy to locate. Everything's labeled. We do have two lights on these as well. They are motion activated if you would like. And then we also have our solar connection here as well. Let's start in the back of this camper. So 260RB, rear bath. Having this sort of floor plan allows you to have sort of a wide bathroom. It's not very enclosed. It's really convenient. One thing I like is the countertop space, sort of a side or like a corner sink here. Gives you a lot of different angles with your mirrors and your medicine cabinets, of course. Plenty of storage behind that. Grand Design does a great job with adding storage everywhere you can see. But let's look at the shower. We have a pretty big shower. It has places for your soaps, anything you need. Shower head that removes, pretty convenient. Skylight as well. And this towel rack is way bigger than some other models. That's really nice as well. But let's look at the front of the camper. Behind the barn style door of this master is this queen size bed. Very convenient, nice storage up top. Now this is open storage compared to some of your door options, but you do have mirrored side mirrors on each side of this bed with a hanging rack up in each side as well. And then a cubby space here on the bottom just in case you need to have anything where you can reach. And there is some storage underneath the bed as well. Now on to the main living space of this camper. Now we'll start here. This is our sink area, prep station, lots of storage up here. I'm talking a whole china cabinet you could put in this thing. That's really a lot of storage. Below as well, we have outlets on multiple sides of our sink, just in case we need to have any small appliances. We have a gas electric Furrion fridge. Again, more countertop space, big drawers in this camper. A stainless steel Furrion hood, which is a very nice touch. 3-burner top stove, normal microwave, and then a pantry here as well. The pantry does have a motion sensor light and it's very deep, and there's even space to add all the appliances you may need to keep with you. Moving towards our entertainment space. Nothing but storage in this camper again. We do have our DVD/indoor/outdoor speakers for listening to music when we're hanging out with our friends and family. Nice TV that does swivel here a little bit. Big storage underneath this TV. Now that is the biggest I have seen so far on a camper. And then it is right across from our theater seating. Theater seating is an option here. These are very nice and I love the colors. It very much matches the cabinetry in this camper. More storage up top, nice lighting options to turn on and off if you're watching a movie. That's very convenient. But overall, this camper is perfect for entertaining. Last area to note is your dinette. Plenty of space for 4 people or even some smaller children to sit around and eat. I love the live edge of this table next to the biggest window in this camper that looks right out onto your outdoor living space. But if you're in love with this camper, give us a call or visit us online at cookvillerv.com. Do you want to see more videos like this? Leave us a comment below. What do you want to see in the future? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And don't forget, at Cookeville RV Marine, your adventure awaits.